Introducing PinC Lab, a brand new way of learning practically. Let's see how it works. After you log into thinkcurious.com, on the right side of the screen you will be able to see an option called Lab. Let's click on it to enter the lab and view the student panel. These are the list of courses. This section shows all the courses that you have taken up. It will show you the status of the course, the progress and the days of access remaining. An interesting feature that you can make use of is the progress bar. There are two progress bars where you will be able to track your course-wise progress and even the chapter-wise progress. Let us now jump into the lab. Today, we are looking at the 7th chapter of our GST course. Click on Start Lab option for any of the chapters to go to the lab. This is the lab interface. This interface is by far the best way to learn any concept in a practical way. The lab provides you with multiple features which combined help you in learning the entire topic easily. Let us go through each in detail. Each chapter is divided into sections. Each section contains textual content, conceptual videos by experts, which helps you in understanding concepts quickly. You can also raise your hand on a topic to request sessions on that topic. Gamification in the form of interactive MCQ, where you also earn coins. Click here to view the total coins earned. These sections help you in gaining knowledge in a particular topic in one shot. Once you complete a section, click on the Next button here to move to the next section. Please remember that you will be able to jump to any section by clicking on that section only after you have completed a particular section at least once. You can also jump to different chapters from this option. One of the coolest features of the lab is simulation experiments that you can do within the lab. For example, the first experiment says log in below. Let's use the credentials to log in. Oh no, we made a mistake. You can click on retry if you wish to rectify the mistake. Hooray! You got it right. By the time you complete a section, you would have learned the complete topic by conducting multiple experiments and gained confidence. That's not all. Now you get an opportunity to practice the filing in a full-fledged simulation through a practical case study and assignment by clicking on the given link in the case study. This shall take you to a new portal for solving and learning. You will get the actual experience of filing returns that looks exactly like the real portal. The simulation also saves the data which you have entered in memory, just like the original website. This will help you in continuing from where you left. If you have any small doubts that needs to be resolved immediately, you can chat with our panel of experts by just typing your queries and they shall be answered as soon as possible. There is one more thing. We are elated to introduce the language option in the lab. On the top of the lab interface, click on this to view multiple languages and select the one that you are comfortable with, and the page instantly translates the topics to the language of your choice. Learners will be able to hover on the text to see the original version of the translated text. Do a joint reading in your local language and English in parallel. Once you complete the course and get 100% at the course level, a button, Take Course Test, would appear. Click and take the evaluation test. On passing successfully, a button, Download Certificate, would appear. Apart from courses, there are other features in the dashboard. Let us look at it now. Revision. Once you have learnt a course, you can improve your soft skills and also revise by solving these technical questions subject-wise and earn a pro badge, which in turn shall help you boost your confidence in that topic and also prepare for interviews. Calendar. You can also track all compliance due dates and ensure that you don't miss any deadlines. You will also be able to read the latest news in the world of finance and get up to date with the current affairs. You will also be able to update your profile from the Profile option. We are pleased to introduce the Dark Mode option as well. This will help the learners to learn for an extended period of time without straining their eyes. All of the functionalities are also available in our new Android app for easy access. Log into our Android app with the same email ID that was used to log into the website. Choose the lab option to view the list of courses. You will be able to see the same progress bar for both chapter and the module. Clicking on Start Lab will open the same lab access with all options from the website in a phone interface. Click on the menu icon on the bottom to see the different sections. Click on the Options menu on top to open extra options such as DSS, Calendar, Doubt section and more. With this, you will now be able to learn on the go. There are other features in our app that help you in developing your skills. This includes the Prepare section where you will be able to get the latest news, watch videos on skill development from experts, and take skill level tests to improve your knowledge in a particular topic. More exclusive features are coming soon to our Android app too. Download now in Google Play Store. Visit www.fincurious.com for more details and updates. Feel free to reach out to us at support@fincurious.com.